Here I've got Kruger Matz MOVE 8 Mini, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound, and go to phone ringtone. And simply select the one that you like the most, so let me show you some of them. For example, Big Easy, Karina, or Dancing Phone. And once you choose the one that you like the most, click on OK, and that's it. As you can see, phone ringtone has been changed. Congrats! Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.